21 about 3 years ago. I could do it just like that, you know, but now I've left it to the younger kids. Okay, just a little piece of information. This little young lady here, don't think she's been running straight up and down. No, sir, not at all. We actually have her as our equipment manager. So if you see her touching things and pulling things, she's just testing, okay? And she's done a fine job, but we're going to retire her for the night because we can't afford to pay her overtime. So thank you, Jacinda. You did a very wonderful job, okay? Give her a round of applause, people. She likes her job. Okay, we almost are at the end of our program. We really hope that you enjoyed yourself and had a blessing. And I hope this is a blessing that you can share with someone. Before we go into our final 2 praise songs, though, just a couple of quick announcements. This program is to help fundraise for our youth retreat and for those who have some need of help of getting there by financial needs. So we have an opportunity, again, like I said at the start, for you to help. We're going to have some snacks, some food, some goodies, some juice, some water, some candy, some cookies. We're going to have all of that you can actually buy after the Sabbath is closed, so you can help support some of our young people to go. Now, there are going to be set prices that are very low prices. If you feel within your heart that you can give more, don't let us hold you back by any means. Okay, do what you can and do what you will. So again, I want to thank you all for coming out. I'm going to ask the praise team to come up. And again, the table at the far left.